Pronoun. A pronoun is a word that we use for a noun. The noun that is replaced by a pronoun is called its antecedent. Like, Shahid says that he has finished the work. In this sentence, he is pronoun used for the noun Shahid, and Shahid is the antecedent of he. The children are reading the book they bought yesterday. They pronoun used for the noun children and children antecedent of they. Pronoun refer to either a noun that has already been mentioned or to a noun that does not need to be named specifically. Kinds of noun. Here we have 7 kinds of pronoun. Personal pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, relative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, possessive pronoun, and indefinite pronoun. Personal pronoun. Personal pronoun are words that stand for a person. I, we, you, he, she, and they. A personal pronoun can stand for 3 persons. First person pronoun, second person pronoun, and third person pronoun. First person pronoun refers to the speaker. I, we, me, us, and my. Second person pronoun refers to the person being spoken to, you or yours. Third person pronoun refers to the person being spoken of, he, she, it, him, her, his, they, them, its, and their. Personal pronoun used as subject or object. Subject forms used before a verb and object forms used after a verb. Demonstrative pronoun, a word that points to things, a particular object or concept, like this, these, that, those. A demonstrative pronoun is a pronoun that is used to point to something specific within a sentence. These pronouns can indicate atoms in a space or time, and they can be either singular or plural. Here we have some example. This is smelling very bad. This represents a thing close to the speaker. That is looking very nice. That represents a thing far away to the speaker. These are nice flowers, but smell bad. These represent some things close to the speaker. Those are very beautiful. Those represent some things are far away to the speaker. Pronoun. A word that relates the idea back to some noun, like that, those, whoever, whomever, who, and whom. Or what, when, and where. Basically, there are only a few relative pronouns in the English language. The most common are which, that, those, whoever, whomever, who, and whom. In some situations, the word that, what, when, and where can also function as relative pronouns, because there are also just a few rules for using a relative pronouns keep them in mind as you write. Example: following are the examples of relative pronouns. The woman who took my interview is waiting inside. In this sentence, woman is a noun who is relative pronoun. I am not very sure about the tune that is getting played. The teacher only selects the student whom she believes the most talented for the role. Interrogative pronoun. An interrogative pronoun is a pronoun which is used to make asking questions easily. There are just 5 interrogative pronouns. Each one is used to ask a specific question or indirect question. Who and whom. Some cases: whatever, whatsoever, whichever, whoever, whosoever, whomever, whomsoever, whosoever. Interrogative pronouns are very easy to remember and use. Sentences containing interrogative pronouns are always questions, so they always end with a question mark. Here we have examples. In the following example, first, what do you want for your birthday? What, which shirt do you? Reflexive pronoun, a word that refers to the reflection, turning back of action upon the subject, like myself, yourself, himself, herself, oneself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. Singular reflexive pronoun. A reflexive pronoun is singular if it refers to exactly one person or thing. The most commonly used reflexive singular pronouns are myself, yourself, herself, himself, and itself. Plural reflexive pronoun. A reflexive pronoun is plural if it refers to more than one person or thing. The most commonly used plural reflexive pronouns are ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. Possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun show ownership of a person. They fall into two sets, one called possessive pronouns and the other called possessive adjectives. Let's practice using possessive pronouns in a sentence. In this sentence, a noun phrase will be used first and then a possessive pronoun will be used to replace it. That is her car and this one here is my car. That is car and this one here is mine. Indefinite pronoun. An indefinite pronoun is a pronoun that refers to a person or a thing without being specific. Singular indefinite pronouns in sentences. Anyone can play the game. I heard news, but no one has told me much. Tell no one what you have seen today. Just ask someone to pick up paper plates for the party. Something does not feel right about this situation. Take a look at these indefinite pronouns in different sentences and notice that if you replace each one with a singular noun, it would still make a sense. Indefinite pronouns. When you are not sure who or what you are talking about, but you know that it's more than one, use plural indefinite pronouns. For example, we invited everyone to the banquet, but few actually came. Many have expressed interest in getting the old group together. Several had not even seen the movie before. Did you talk to both before speaking to me? Unless you change the date, many will be unable to attend.